Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how to send ton from a Telegram wallet to Binance. As you can see, we are on our Telegram wallet. What you need to click on is send right over here, and then it says your wallet is empty. Let's just say that we don't want to. Let's just click on add crypto for now, and then the process is same. You want to click on external wallet and then click on ton coin and then click on continue and then continue, verify all of that, and then let's just fulfill all of these details, and then it says you're all set. So you are going to click on continue, click on done, and then as you can see your ton address is this. So what you need to do is, if this was sending ton, it would ask you that what is your Binance deposit address, and to get that you need to head over into Binance and then click on deposit and then click on deposit crypto, and then you want to click on ton and then click on the first one that comes up, select ton coin, click on OK, and you see this deposit address. You just need to copy it and paste it over there, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.